Follow along as I describe 3 tic-tac-toe games. I'll describe a game and along the way ask questions about blocking or winning moves. Okay, let's start. Imagine a tic-tac-toe board. Let's begin with X, starting in the center square. Imagine the board with just the X in the center square. Okay. Next, O moves to the center square on the right. X responds by moving to the upper left corner. Where must O move to block? Yes, O must move to the lower right-hand corner to block. But now, in order to block O, which is positioned both in the lower right-hand corner and the center square on the right, remember, X must move to the upper right-hand corner. This, however, puts X in both the center square and the upper right square. So O moves to the lower left square to block. Now O is positioned both in the lower left corner and the lower right corner. So X must move to the center square along the bottom to block, right? No, because X is also positioned at both upper corners, leaving the center upper square open. X moves to the center upper square and wins. Tic-tac-toe 3 X's in a row. Okay, that was the first game. Now imagine an empty, blank tic-tac-toe board, cleared from the last game. This time, X starts again, with a move right in the center square. O responds with a move to the lower right corner. X moves to the lower left corner. Where must O move to block X? Yes, the upper right-hand corner. Now, though, X must move to the center square along the right to block O. Now O must move to the center square along the left. In response, X moves to the center square along the top row. To block, O must move into the lower center square. X finishes by moving to the only square remaining, the upper left-hand corner. The game ends in a cat's game. Now the last game. Let's let O begin this time. O starts with a move to the lower right square. X counters with a move into the center square. O responds by moving to the lower left-hand corner. Now, in order to block, where must X move? Right, in the center square in the bottom row. In response, where must O now move to block X? Yes, in the center of the top row. If X now moves in the center spot along the left, where must O move to block? O must move also in the center, but along the right. X now moves to the top right corner to block O. And O places into the upper left corner. Again, a cat's game. That's the 3 games. Thank you for listening along.